In today's competitive market, understanding customer behavior is vital for success. The line dot chart you see here provides valuable insights into customer purchase preferences over the course of the week. Each dot represents a day, and the size of the dot reflects the volume of purchases made on that day. For instance, Friday stands out with the largest volume, indicating a significant spike in customer activity. As you move through the week from Thursday to Tuesday, you can clearly observe how buying patterns fluctuate, with a noticeable drop toward the start of the week. What makes this chart even more powerful is how it interacts with other visuals on the dashboard. By selecting a specific day or adjusting filters, like branch, week status, and bill date on the left, you can see dynamic changes in the other charts, such as product preference and transaction mode. This integration enables you to understand how various factors influence buying behavior. Maximize sales potential with line dot chart visualizations. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.